So here's your first step for installing the Footwell Illumination Kit on the 2022 Plus WRX. I have the GT edition. You want to go through the passenger side, just above the console here, and you're just going to thread it through here, and eventually you're going to track it all the way over there. And here we go. Just basically thread it from the right side to the left side. All right, everyone, so here's your next part. So you're gonna have one person over here on the other side. Basically, they're gonna be fishing that line all the way through to the back. And then you're gonna grab this felty-like material, and then you're just gonna pull this way out, and then it will just kind of looply in, and then you just wanna loop until you have enough traction to where eventually you're gonna be looping this around, and then you're gonna go up here, and then you're gonna pop this little guy off. We're gonna watch another video to figure out how exactly to do that, and when we figure that out, I will let you guys know. Basically, you pop that forward, and then it comes straight off. Looks like a connect. Proper cable alignment. Come on, there bloody switches, and you always have a problem. You mean because the switch is tight or something? Okay. Yeah. Nice. Just thread everything back in. Snap, snap. Okay.
Do you have that blue connector?
Blue connector time. Okay. cable around it.